Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how the DNS subdomains can be created in OCI and how it can be organized post-delegation. We have already covered DNS delegation itself in a separate video, so here we will focus specifically on subdomain creation and organization. We will look into two approaches: managing subdomains within a single zone and separating them into individual zones. Once the delegation is complete, OCI DNS zone becomes authoritative master for that subdomain. From this point onwards, all DNS records for that subdomain are created directly inside the OCI DNS zone, just like any other provider. Any host under that subdomain will resolve based on the records you configure here. Other than the initial NS delegation, you don't need to make any additional changes in the parent zone. For the walkthrough, I'll use oci-lab.cloud as the delegated domain. All subdomains like dev, cdn, and logs will branch out from this parent domain. When we keep all subdomains in one zone, it is simple to manage. For example, cdn.oci-lab.cloud, dev.oci-lab.cloud, and logs.oci-lab.cloud would all be in the same DNS zone. The big advantage is simplicity. Only one zone to handle and fewer delegation steps. But the downside is lack of isolation. Permissions can't be split and all environments are tied together. Another approach is to create separate zones for each subdomain. For example, dev.oci-lab.cloud, logs.oci-lab.cloud, and cdn.oci-lab.cloud would each have their own delegated zone. This gives team autonomy. DevOps manages dev, security manages CDN, analytics manages logs. It also allows granular access control with IAM policies and helps keep records better organized. Splitting subdomains into different zones is especially useful when environment separation is critical. The key advantages include clear separation of environments, team-specific management enabled by IAM policies, and improved governance and isolation. The trade-offs include additional setup overhead due to delegation requirements and the need to maintain multiple zones. So weigh these factors during your design. To summarize, subdomains in the same zone offer a straightforward management model with minimal setup effort. However, they lack environment isolation and fine-grained control. In different zones, require more initial configuration and maintenance but deliver stronger separation, governance, and team-specific autonomy. When choosing between these approaches, the decision should be guided by your organizational structure, security posture, and operational requirements.